is a McDonald's training app available on iPhone. So if you search for this app on Google Play Store, you will find it. So this is the official name, MCD Kitchen Assembly game. But if you wanna try to find this app on iPhone, on iOS, seems it's only available for iPad. So it's only available for just on App Store, but only for iPad devices. It's not available for iPhone. So originally, this is just the app built for the train crew, McDonald's crew member how to assemble core menu items. However, it got some traction and virality as it's quite addictive app, just like as a game. However, it wasn't built as a game; it was just built like as a training program. So yeah, there you have it.